Hello everyone. I am Denise Givan, and I am the expert business coach with Coach Me to Life. Coach Me to Life is a coaching firm where we help and equip small business owners to reconstruct, rebuild, and revitalize their business. Today, I have the privilege of talking to two young entrepreneurs who I am so proud of because they are my sons. In our session today, I challenged them to take their business to the next level by getting at least 100 subscribers by today. Okay, yes, by today. I know that that's a big challenge, but I know they can do it because they do have one of the best coaches there is. And also, I have myself been coached by the best. My coach tells us whenever we want something, we need to get off our ask. Today, this is what I am challenging these young entrepreneurs to do. So today, I have Terrence Bradford and Teron Bradford, who are up-and-coming YouTubers, and they're challenging us today to help them get 100 subscribers. So I'm asking you to do that. They're going to come to you and tell you a little bit about what they do and how you can help them. Here's Terrence.
Yo, it's your boy Terrence, and my YouTube channel is Little T-Dog, LIL_TDOG. And my channel is all about, kind of pleasing the people, as in to see what they want, but at the same time, a satisfactory of what I want to do. So my main thing is basketball. I do things on the likes of pranks and like public speaking. And all I ask you guys is to just help me get my subscribers up, and just let me know what y'all want to see.
Great. Tell them one more time how to subscribe to your channel.
You go to YouTube and you search up Lil T-Dog, LIL_TDOG. And that's where you can find me.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Now we're going to have Teron. He's going to also ask you guys to help him get his subscribers up as well. Go ahead, Teron, and introduce yourself.
Hello, guys. So I'm Teron, but I go by TJ. And so my channel is TJ Wavy ASF. So TJWAVY_ASF. And you guys, I post car videos and I post vlogs with my family and when I go travel and track videos. I just love doing that. So I hope you guys please go to my channel and subscribe and get me to be the top YouTuber on YouTube.
All right, repeat it one more time so they'll know where to go.
TJ Wavy ASF. So go to YouTube and search up TJWAVY_ASF and you can find me.
Guys, thank you so much. Today, I have challenged them, and I hope that they meet their challenge. With your help, we will be able to do it. And if you need any tips on how to grow your business, I am the business coach that will put you in the game. And I can be reached not on YouTube, I'm sorry. I can be reached on Facebook and Instagram at Coach Me to Life. And also check me out on my website at coachmetolife.com. Thanks, and you have a wavy day.